To watch my old tutorial videos related to class 10 science, subscribe my channel The Osmosis. Hello and welcome you all in today's tutorial video. The topic of today's tutorial video is excretion. All living organisms produces some amount of waste which has to be excreted from the body. The definition of excretion is it is a process by which metabolic waste is eliminated from an organism. There are four kinds of excretory wastes. First, nitrogenous waste. They are in the form of urea, uric acid or urine. Second, excess of water. They are in the form of urine or sweat. Third, in the form of gases like carbon dioxide. Fourth, salts. Let us understand the human excretory system. Definition of excretory system. It is a passive biological system that removes excess unnecessary materials from the body fluids of an organism so as to help maintain internal chemical homeostasis and prevent damage to the body. Excretory system consists kidney as excretory organ, ureters as ducts which drain out urine from the kidney, urinary bladder as urinary reservoir, urethra as the channel to excrete the urine out from the body. Here is the diagram showing the different parts of human excretory system. Kidney is the main organ where filtration of blood takes place and then filtrate through ureter goes to urinary bladder, which is a reservoir of urine. When the urge comes, urine is excreted through urethra. Let us see the cross section of kidney. The outermost layer of kidney is known as cortex, which is protective layer. The middle layer is known as medulla, where the actual filtration of blood takes place by the nephrons. Then comes renal pelvis, where the filtrates get collected and transferred to the ureter. Through renal arteries, blood enters into the kidney for the filtration, and through renal vein, blood comes out after filtration from the kidney. Nephron is the structural unit of kidney where the actual filtration of blood takes place. Here is the schematic diagram of nephron showing different parts of it. The first part is renal capsule made up of filtration tissue where the filtration of blood takes place. Second part extends from proximal convoluted tubule to distal convoluted tubule, which is known as loop of Henle, where reabsorption of some important nutrients takes place. Then third part is collecting duct, where the urine is collected and transferred to the urinary bladder. Function of nephron is to excrete nitrogenous waste from the body and to maintain the water and ionic balance in the body. This is the structure of renal corpuscles. This renal corpuscles contains glomerulus, which is known as the filtration tissue where the filtration of blood takes place, and the chamber is known as Bowman's capsule. After filtration in Bowman's capsule, the filtrate or the waste product is transferred to the proximal tubule for the reabsorption. Here is the complete structure of a nephron, which shows the glomerulus or the Bowman's capsule and the Henle of loop and the collecting duct. Now let us see the formation of urine in humans. The first step is glomerular filtration, or which is also known as ultrafiltration. Nitrogenous waste, glucose, water, amino acid filter from the blood into Bowman capsule of nephron. Second step is tubular reabsorption. After filtration, the filtrate comes to the loop of Henle, where the useful substance from the filtrate are reabsorbed back by blood capillaries surrounding the nephron. And third step is secretion, where urea, extra water and salts are secreted into the tubule, which open up into the collecting duct and then into the ureter. Let us understand the urine formation by this diagram. The first step, that is ultrafiltration, is performed by Bowman's capsule, and the second step, that is known as reabsorption of essential nutrients, that is performed by loop of Henle, and the third step, that is secretion, that is performed by collecting duct. We know that some of the patients face kidney failure. For them, artificial kidney is used for the filtration of blood. That process is known as hemodialysis. So we can define hemodialysis as the process of purifying blood by an artificial kidney or dialysis machine. It is meant for kidney failure patients. Here is the setup of hemodialysis. First of all, the blood is taken out from the body and transferred to the dialysing machine, where the fresh dialysing solution is introduced for the absorption of nitrogenous waste from the blood. Then the purified blood is again transferred to the body. This way, kidney failure patients have to do hemodialysis in regular interval. Let us see the excretion in plants. Plants don't have the special tissue or special system for the excretion. They do excretion by simple methods. The first method is gaseous exchange. Gaseous exchange is done by plants during the respiration process. By the stomata, they expel out the carbon dioxide from the body. Second method is water loss. The excess amount of water in the plant body is removed by the plants in the form of water vapor, which is known as transpiration process. Third method is to lose old parts. The plants shed off the leaves when they get older. Fourth method is in the form of solid waste products, that is resin, gums and celluloses. You all might have seen this product on plants. This is resin, which is solid waste of plants. And here is the end of the topic excretion, as well as the chapter 6 life process. In next video tutorial, we will understand the chapter number 7 control and coordination. Till then, bye bye, keep watching and do subscribe for the latest update.